Hello everyone, I'm the Cyclist and welcome to my channel. As my bikepacking adventure across the Poland coming closer, I was thinking about a few upgrades to my bike in order to distribute weight more evenly. And after a search, I came across Old Man mountain bike rack, and after hearing so many good things about it, I decided to give it a try. So here it is. Old Man mountain bike rack, made from the light aircraft aluminium and suitable basically for every bike, especially for suspension forks, which is my case.
Here you can see all set. If your fork doesn't have eyelets, you will need an additional mounting kit, which is sold separately. Mounting kits are available for both quick release and through axle hubs, for the front and the rear. So rack itself, dropouts, remember logo must be read from the non-driving side, left side. Dropouts must be placed inside of the rack. So if you have 29 inch wheels, pull them out, push them in if you have smaller wheels. And some extenders to the front, pucks which gonna do the eyelet function, some zip ties, super strong and UV resistant. I will need only 4 of them, but they have sent 8 of them, so I have some place for crack-ups, which is good. So some transparent protective tape and accessories meant to be in the rear, which I will not need for now, but let's save them. So I will use my adjustable wrench, set of Allen keys. Remember, logo is read from the left side, non-driving side. And here we go. I have a 29 inch wheels and I will extend the dropouts for maximum. And so next step is to apply protective tape, clean the surf first, and instructions suggest that you have to apply this tape in a way that it's not overlapping, so take measurements and it's done. So next take a zip ties, a pack, and make sure the hex is facing the rim like this. So when you're gonna install the zip ties, don't rush them to cut down because they are pretty stiff, and you will want to snug them with the pliers and let them little bit settle and snug them later again. So when the pucks are in place, next step is to assemble side extenders. So, moment of truth, we need to install the rack, but first I need to remove my old quick release axle and replace it with the axle from the fix kit. And when it's done, let's secure the rack in vertical position. And as a final touch, level the rack, check one more time all the bolts, make sure everything is snug and secure, and enjoy the ride. So this is it. I like the way it looks on the bike and can't wait to put it for a test drive.
So this is pretty much what it is. Just few words from me about it. I like that it was pretty easy to assemble. Instructions are pretty straightforward. What else? Just one thing what left me wondering is that if you don't have eyelets on your front fork, like on my bicycle, suspension bicycle, you will have to buy additional fix kit, and that additional fix kit costs a hell of a money. Few straps and some bolts, and it's almost half of the price of the rack. But I guess, as they claim, the case is those super strong UV resistant zip ties. Otherwise, for first 25 kilometers done, I like how it feels, so I put a lot of expectations on it.